Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your consumer rights with Consumer Reports easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Consumer Reports website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access premium content. Use the search bar to enter the product or service you want to research. Review the ratings and reviews provided for specific items. Check for expert tests and user feedback to gauge performance. Look for articles related to consumer rights on the site. Take note of any product recalls or safety warnings listed. Download consumer guides available for your chosen product category. Understand your warranty and return policy rights as detailed in the articles. Access the advocacy section for tips on how to address consumer issues. Follow the social media channels of Consumer Reports for ongoing updates. Stay informed about the latest consumer news and trends through newsletters. Utilize the Ask a Question feature to get direct answers on any issues. Join community forums to share experiences and learn from other consumers. Keep track of your findings and refer back to Consumer Reports regularly. Be proactive about utilizing your consumer rights in your purchasing decisions. Remember that knowledge is your best tool for making informed choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.